So yesterday's class ಅಲ್ಲಿ we did change of sign and change of numbers, correct? So change of sign ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ two signs interchange ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and change of numbers means those two numbers interchange ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So today ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ similar. Today's topic, it is called substitution of signs. It is very simple. ಇದು ಇವಾಗ yesterday's topic was simple mathematics, correct? ನೀವು just signs and numbers interchange ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and then it is simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So very simple mathematics. So today's topic is also very simple. Only in one day we can finish it off. So first it is called substitution of signs. Substitution of signs. So idu direct agi I'll take a example and then I'll explain it, okay? So a question, how it is given, I'll show you. So it is okay. So question e pattern alli irutte andre now look at the question. This is the question, okay? This one idu sorry, idu question and you have five options. So question alli nodi, after each number one triangle ide, correct? 4 triangle, 2 triangle, 7 triangle, 15. So ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ವಿ ಡೂ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
3 ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಚ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 4.
ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ಈಚ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 2.
No, ma, see this. What are signs andre enu? Normal, plus, minus, into, division is equal to, idella signs alva. So question alli there are 3 triangles. In the option, take option A for example, how many signs? There are 3 signs. Multiplication is equal to and plus sign, correct? Option B alli there are 3 signs, plus, into is equal to. So like that, all 5 options alli there are 3 signs. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So illi now what should we do? I'll tell you. So question alli 3 triangles ide, each option alli 3 signs ide. So here what are we supposed to do? Each option are signs you should substitute in place of the triangle. A triangle place alli you should put these signs. Andre now take option A for example. First multiplication ide, andre first triangle place alli you should put multiplication. Second triangle place alli you should put is equal to. Third triangle place alli you should put plus. After putting the signs, check the answer. Is it correct or not? I'll explain it to you. We'll do it one by one. Then it's easy to understand, okay? We'll start. So write the numbers as it is. Numbers like that you should write. So starting with 4, triangle ide. So illi first triangle place alli first sign I should write. So first sign here is into. So 4 into 2. Next triangle place alli I should give second sign, which is equal to number. Write down the number 7. Then triangle ide. So e triangle place alli third triangle, so I'll write down the third sign, is equal to 7 plus 15. Idu namge, this is the equation we have. So equal to andre enu? Now before equal to and after equal to, ನೀವು find out whatever the answer is and check ಮಾಡಿ if they are equal or not. Now tell me what is 4 into 8? Sorry, 4 into 2?
8.
4 into 2 is 8 is equal to, what is 7 plus 15?
22.
Is 8 equal to 22? Is this correct? 8 and 22, is it the same number?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So it is not equal. 8 is not equal to 22. Andre, this is wrong. So option A is wrong. Artha aita how to check it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll check for all other options. Now next, same procedure you should follow. Okay, so second option 4 triangle ide. So ee triangle place alli which sign should I give? First triangle.
Plus.
So it is plus. First sign plus. Next I should write 2. One more triangle. So e triangle place alli which sign should I give?
Into.
Into 7. Again one more triangle. So what should I give here?
Is equal to.
Is equal to 15. So same thing. Before is equal to, after is equal to. Find out the answer and check if it's adu equal idya alva. You should check that. Okay. So first we'll check this. What is 2 into 7?
14.
14.
14 plus 4?
18.
Ma'am, 18.
18. 18 equal to 15. Is this correct?
No, ma'am.
No. So this is wrong. So option B is wrong. Next, option C will try. So same 4. First triangle place only. Now you tell me the signs one by one. What should I put here?
Ma'am, 4.
Into.
Okay. 4 into 2. Next.
2 plus
Okay.
7 is equal to 15.
15. Correct. So now check Madi. What is 4 into 2?
8.
8. 8 plus 7?
15.
15 equal to 15. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So option C is the correct answer. Artha aita how to check this?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, did you understand? Okay. Okay. We'll try even other two options we'll check. Okay. So next option, you tell me. You guys tell me the next option.
Ma'am, 4 is equal to
Okay.
2 plus
Okay.
7 into
7 into.
Okay.
equal 15.
Equal illi baratte. Nodi 4 equal to 2 plus 7 into 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so equal to, before equal to it is 4. After equal to, you should find that expression. So what is 15 into 7?
105.
105 plus 2?
107.
4 equal to 107. It is not equal. So even this option is wrong. Okay, now tell me the last option.
4 is equal to
Okay.
4 is equal to
2 into
Okay.
7 plus
7 plus 15. Correct. So before equal to it is 4. So after equal to n baratte, we should check that. 2 into 7. What is 2 into 7?
14.
14 plus 15? 29. Is it equal? It is not. So even this is wrong. So option C is the correct answer. So did everyone understand how to solve this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second question. So questionally, they can give you either triangle, itara triangle irutte, or itara star irutte. They can give you anything in these two. Now I'll give one with star. 16 star, 4 star, 4 star, 16. This is the question. So same as previous question. No, nothing different. Our question only triangle was given. In this question, there is a star given. Okay, that is the only difference. So I'll give the options now. Option A, equal to, into, division, divided by. Option B, okay, so this is the question given.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
one, let us check. Okay, so now tell me the first one. How should I write the
16,
first one?
16 equal
Okay,
4 into
okay,
4 divided
by 16.
okay. So now after equal to, what you will get after equal to, you should check that.
4 divided by
16, correct. So now before equal to 16 is this, so we will write it as it is. After equal to n barutte, you should check that. So what is 4 into 4?
16.
16 divided by 16?
1.
0.
Divided by 16 divided by 16?
16. 1.
1. Is 16 equal to 1? It is not equal. So option E is wrong. Now tell me the next one.
16 into 4 equal 4 divided by 16.
Okay. What is 16 into 4?
64.
64.
4 divided by 16 andre, it is a fraction, correct? 1 by 4 barutte. 4 ones are 4 fours are. So see 4 by 16 andre 1 by 4. It is a fraction. So is it equal 64 and 1 by 4?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not equal. So option B is wrong. Okay. Next option.
16 divided
Okay.
4 is equal to
Okay.
4 into 16.
4 into 16. Correct. Okay. So now 16 divided by 4.
16 divided by
4.
4 equal 4 into 16.
4 into 16. Correct. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 4 equal to, what is 4 into 16? 4 into 16.
Ma'am, 64.
Yes.
64.
Yes. Is 4 equal to 64?
No, ma'am.
No. So option C is also wrong. Next option. What about the next option?
16 equal
Okay.
4 into
Okay.
4 into 16.
So before equal to, it is 16. 16 equal to. Now what is, it is a big
64.
multiplication. So straight away, idu neevu calculate, you don't have to do. Straight away you can say it is wrong. Correct. 4 into 4 into 16. And it is a big number. 16 into 16.
Ma'am, 256.
256. So it is wrong. So option D is also wrong. Next option E. 16 divided by 4.
4 into 4 equals 16.
Yes. Okay. So okay. 16 divided by 4. What is 16 divided by 4?
4.
4 into 4?
16.
Yes. 16.
4 into 4, 16. 16 equal to 16. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it is correct. Option E is the correct answer. Okay, Artha Aita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will do one last question. That's it. Okay, it is very simple. Is it easy for you all? Artha Aita, it is very simple, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, just one last question we'll do.
ಚಂದನ ಮೈಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಮ್ಮ.
Okay, so this is the question. So yeah, tell me one by one. First option.
Ma'am, 9 plus
9 plus
3 into
3 into
4 equal
yes
3.
equal to 3. Correct. So check madi. What is 3 into 4?
12.
12. 12 plus 9?
Ma'am, plus 21.
Yes. 12 plus 9, 21. 21, is it equal to 3? No,
Ma'am,
it is not. So option A. By the way, idu nimge order gotta. In what order should you do? Do you know BODMAS rule, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so BODMAS andre ಏನು? BODMAS andre first you should do bracket alli enadru idre you should do first bracket, then you should do division. After division, multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Correct? ಈ order follow ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Correct? ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Everyone knows this?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because illi if you change the order, andre first we are doing multiplication. Andre 3 into 4 we are doing 12. Then we are doing 12 plus 9. Ivaga if we change the order, andre if I do addition first, 9 plus 3 is 2. What is 9 plus 3?
12.
12. 12 into 4?
Ma'am, 48.
48. So ನೋಡಿ answer different ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It is 21 here, 48 here. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ you should follow the order. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ order ಏನು first multiplication ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and then it is addition. Okay. So I hope
Yes,
everyone knows that BODMAS rule. Okay. So first option is wrong. Okay. Let us check with the second option. So tell me.
9
order.
into
9 into.
9 into 3 equal
Okay.
4 plus 3.
3. Check ಮಾಡಿ. What is 9 into 3?
27.
9 into 3 is 27. 27. Yes, 27 equal to, what is 4 plus 3?
7.
7.
So is it equal? No, it is not. Correct? So option B is also wrong. Now let's check with option C. Yeah, tell me the order one by one.
9 plus
3.
Okay.
equal
4.
Yes.
4 into
3.
Correct. So first, before equal to, and then what is 9 plus 3?
12.
9 plus 3 is 12. Next, what is 4 into 3?
12.
12.
12.
It is equal, correct? So which is the correct option? Option C. Anyways, other two options also let us check. Okay. So yeah, tell me the order. Yeah, for option D, what is it?
9 equal 3
Okay.
into 4
plus
plus 3.
Correct. So 9 equal to. So what is the answer for this?
Miss 15.
15. Correct. So it is not equal. So even option D is wrong. So 15 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು order. You should follow the order. First multiplication. 3 into 4, 12.
12
Then
plus 3,
12
15.
plus 3, 15. Correct. So order follow ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is very important. Okay. Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
finally option E. Tell me the order. Sign order. ಹೇಳಿ.
9 into 3,
Okay.
3
Plus 4
plus
4
4 equal to 3.
Okay. So yeah, tell me this answer now.
27.
Full answer I want. This full expression answer. 31.
31.
Yes. Is it equal? No, it is not. So even this is wrong. So even here you should follow the order. First you should do 9 into 3. What is 9 into 3? 27.
27.
Then 27 plus 4.
4.
31.
27 plus 4, 31. Correct. So yeah, finally option C is the answer. So that is it. This is very simple. So ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ how to do it? So ಇದು sign substitution order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, first triangle place ಅಲ್ಲಿ you should give the first sign only. Second triangle place ಅಲ್ಲಿ second sign. Third triangle place ಅಲ್ಲಿ third sign. Okay, so suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿ if I give one more triangle and 2 some number. So options ಅಲ್ಲಿ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 4 triangles ಇದ್ರೆ options ಅಲ್ಲಿ you will have 4 signs compulsory. Okay. So you'll have some other sign here. So as usual, idu illi substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and then you should check it. Okay, so is this clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then that's it for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.
Ma'am.